Today I'm going to show you how to make the super quick and easy vegetarian tortellini soup. It's a budget-friendly one-pot meal that you can adapt to your tastes. You can use any tortellini you like, any vegetables you like. In this instance, I've got onion, garlic, zucchini and spinach, so it's loaded with veggies, and I'm using spinach and ricotta tortellini, but you could use any you want. So it's vegetarian friendly just because of the ingredients I'm using, but you could use any you like. But I'll have the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and loads of ideas for ingredient variations in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Okay, just chop up the onion and garlic into bite-sized pieces, and I've got some coconut oil, but you can use any oil, even butter if you want to cook your veggies. So I'm going to get these cooking. I'm going to sizzle the onion and garlic away for a minute or two and then add in the zucchini. I've added in the zucchini. You can add in salt, pepper to taste, more coconut oil, butter, and just get that softening too. Okay, I'm happy with how all the veggies brown, so we'll add stock to cover. I'm not sure if you even heard me before. So what I've done is I've added stock to cover, and we'll bring this up to a simmer and then add in the tortellini and spinach. The soup is back up to the bubbles, so we'll add in the tortellini. The tortellini are in, give them a good toss through, and we'll add in the spinach too. I've topped it with the spinach, and we'll give it all a good mix through and just cook it till the spinach is wilted and your tortellini is cooked through too. There you go, all the tortellinis cooked through. You can see all the spinach is wilted, so I'll take it off the heat. And there you go, I've served myself out a portion. You can see the zucchini, the spinach, the tortellini, and lovely soup. It's just so flavorful and such a quick dinner that took under 20 minutes to do absolutely everything. Tortellini take only a few minutes. Probably the longest time is just prepping the veggies, but that is super easy. But that is the video for today for this easy vegetarian tortellini soup. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.